So with my colleague Benjamin, we work on measuring light scattering within ion lips and lipsticks. So I think Mathieu Hébert, Arthur Gautreau, Anthony Casier, and Lou Jevaux will help us. So as most of you may know, appearance is a key thing in our society, as our first judgment of a person is often based on how they look. Appearance is a recurrent subject in social studies, but it's also a scientific subject. And since we can understand how light interacts with the skin and how it influences how it looks to others. Our project was focused on the study of human lips and with and without lipsticks. To do so, LVMH, one of France's leading cosmetic companies, sent us 4 samples of lipsticks, different by their color, red or yellow, and different by the composition with or without diffusing agents. Before any experimentation on skin or lips, we already can see a difference between the sample with a diffusing agent and those without. The one with a diffusing agent don't let light go through them, and we cannot see that in the under. Whereas those without are almost invisible on black, because the light of the object behind can go out. So to continue, I need to introduce a physical principle, the PSF. So the PSF, short for point spread function, can be defined as the response of a material to the points of light made by an incident light beam on the surface of the material. For our project, we use an optical system that concentrates light source on a single point, on the lip. The light then scatters or is absorbed inside the material. And we can take a picture of the lip to see the repartition of light that comes out of the lip.
So to do our measurements, so we applied some lipstick on our lips and foreheads to see if there was a difference between different human tissues. So here is our experiment. So we can see here the light source here that produces a point of light on the sample, which in that case is my forehead with some yellow lipstick on it. And then we use the camera here to take 3 pictures of the same sample. So you may ask why 3 pictures. It is to do some HDR processing. So HDR is short for high dynamic range, and it enables us to have a more precise information about the PSF. So the idea is to take 3 pictures of the same sample, one underexposed, one well exposed, and one overexposed. And then with MATLAB code, we can merge these 3 images in one image that has a broader dynamic, which gives more information on the PSF. So first, here are some results. Not on our lips, but on blocks of lipstick, to see if there is first some differences on the material itself. So we can these curves are the 4 PSF for the 4 different samples we had. Knowing that the broader the PSF is, the more diffusing the material is, we can see first that there is a difference between colors, because we can see yellow curves are quite together, and red ones also. And we can see that yellow lipstick is more diffusing. And we can also see the effect of the diffusing agent, especially on the red lipsticks. As we can see here, this curve in pink is with diffusing agent, and he's broader than the one without. And then these are the PSFs that we obtained when we applied some lipstick on our lips. So the curve in black is the one without lipstick, and we can see that we don't see a big difference between the lips without lipstick and the ones with lipstick. The only one that is a bit apart is the pieces of the yellow lipstick without diffusing agent, which is here, and which appears to be to increase the diffusing capacity of the lip.
And so to conclude, this project goal was to define the facial skin characteristic using makeup. To do that, we needed a physical principle, the point space function, or PSF. This concept is based on the response of material to the light excitation from a single point. Then during her measurements, we use the HDR processing. The aim is to take 3 pictures with 3 different exposure time and combine them to improve the dynamic of the image. And with these experiments, we can see that the diffusing agent has a slight influence on the PSF on the lips. As we have guessed using these pictures, where we can see that the diffusing agent makes the lipsticks more reflective, therefore more visible. Thank you for listening.